Good morning. Today's topic in chemistry is Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction is a chemical reaction named after Stanislaw Cannizzaro that involved the base introduce disproportionate of two molecules of a non-enolizable aldehyde to yield a carboxylic acid and a primary alcohol. Now a proton is exchanged by acid and alkoxide ions when a base of high concentration is introduced. The aldehyde form an ion which has a charge. From this, a aldehyde ion is transferred to second molecules of aldehyde forming carboxylate and alkoxide ion. The alkoxide ion also obtain a proton from the solvent for the reaction. Next is mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. So step 1 is a nucleophile such as hydroxide ion is used to attack the carboxyl group of the given aldehyde, causing a disproportionation reaction and giving rise to an ion carrying two negative charges. So here is the reaction you can see. Then next is this resulting intermediate can now function as a hydride reducing agent. Due to its unstable nature, the intermediate release a hydride ions. This hydride ion processed to attack another hydride molecule. Now the doubly charged ion is converted into a carboxylate ion and the aldehyde is converted into an alkoxide ion. Next is this is the final step. After offer a proton to the alkoxide anion which give rise to final alcohol product, the reaction can proceed since the alkoxide is more basic than water. Now the carboxylate ion give rise to the final carboxylic acid product when the acid workup is used. The acid workup is required since carboxylate is less basic than water and therefore cannot obtain a proton from water. So here is the carboxylate ion which are changed due to water in carboxylic acid, and in blue there is alkoxide anion which is changed due to water by in alcohol. So you can see the reaction here. Next is crossed Cannizzaro reaction. Aldehyde with alpha hydrogen atom undergo deproportionation due to strongly alkali condition of the reaction, leading to enolates and or aldehyde reaction of these enolates where beta hydroxyaldehyde or ketone are obtained. Therefore, it is not surprising that the reaction process only 50% of the required alcohol and carboxylic acid at ideal condition. This is why the cross Cannizzaro reaction is more commonly used. A sacrificial aldehyde is combined with a more valuable chemical and formaldehyde is used as a reductant oxidizing in to sodium formate. The required alcohol is obtained from the reduction of other aldehyde chemicals. Since two different aldehyde can be completely converted into the required product, that yield of the valuable chemical is increased. To conduct the Cannizzaro reaction can be used to influence the disproportionation of a non-enolizable aldehyde. The cross Cannizzaro reaction is employed to increase the yield of valuable chemical. Next is benzoin condensation. Benzoin condensation reaction, also called as condensation reaction, is defined as reaction between two kind of aromatic aldehyde, especially benzaldehyde, in the presence of some catalyst to form a aromatic parent compound. Condensation reaction are mainly used to create carbon to carbon bound polymers, new monomers, product of polypeptide. Benzoin condensation reaction is nothing but the coupling reaction that occurs between aldehyde for the formation of parent benzoin. In this case, the benzaldehyde is involved in this homocoupling process. So here is the mechanism of benzoin condensation reaction. This is the general reaction which is given below. You can see the mechanism of benzoin condensation is the first phase of the process include the reaction of cyanide ions with the benzaldehyde to form the product called cyanohydrine. In this step, the cyanide ion or sodium cyanide take part in nucleophilic addition reaction, and it is reversible reaction. The cyanide ion helps the reaction to occur by acting as a nucleophile and facilitating the abstraction of protons, thus forming cyanohydrine. The cyanide ions serve as catalysts in the reaction. The second step is the condensation reaction that occurs between the cyanohydrine and the benzaldehyde. And next phase, rearrangement occurred, and also the removal of cyanide ion occurred, resulting in the formation of benzoin. The rearrangement process results in reverse of polarity of the carboxyl group, later adding to the second group of carboyl atom. In addition, nucleophilic second nucleophilic compound. In the reaction, strong base deprotonate the former carbonyl carbon atom, and the second kind of an equivalent aldehyde react with the carbanion, thus eliminating the catalyst and the generating the carboxyl compound at the end of the condensation reaction. In the benzoin condensation reaction, the two different aldehydes serve two purposes. One aldehyde in the reaction donate the proton, whereas the other aldehyde accept the proton. So next is application of benzoin and benzoin in condensation reaction. The benzoin condensation reaction, the product benzoin is made use in hardening of different polymer by making use of microemulsion. The reaction is helpful in the synthesis of heterocyclic compound and also extend to the aliphatic form of aldehyde. These reaction also find its application in the polychemistry for the production of polymer, as well as in the condensation of new monomer. So here we have completed this topic. For any query, you can comment below. Thank you.